If you are a dog lover and you want to help them here in Chiang Mai, today we're gonna show you how.
After spending amazing 24 hours in Chiang Rai, we are back in Chiang Mai because we have a mission. And the mission is we want to visit WVS, which is the animal shelter here in Chiang Mai, or the dog shelter here in Chiang Mai. And yeah, let's see if we can give some helping hands. And then we will also show you one of our favorite places to eat where you can get amazing vegan and vegetarian food for such an affordable price. And in the afternoon, we will take you to a brand new dessert place here in the old town.
But before, we have to go to the dog shelter.
WVS is a registered charity and member of worldwide veterinary service based around 15 kilometers outside of the old town of Chang Mai. When we arrived at WVS, we had a very warm welcome by Tatiana. I believe she's an angel, she's the soul of that place, and she explained us everything, like she explained us like how many dogs can be in one area, and that some dogs, they don't cooperate good together, and then she will explain you that some dogs maybe you cannot touch because they're afraid, or maybe they had a bad background story, and maybe some dogs you cannot touch for the chemotherapy that they had. And they have like a board where you can sign in and you will see which dog from which cage was already outside today, and then you know exactly which dog you have to pick. And you can take one dog when you walk, but you can also take, if you're strong enough, you can also take two dogs. But you only can take, for example, two dogs from the same block, from the same hood. And yeah, and they also had a very cute board with all the names and all the pictures of the dogs. And so you know, every time one dog has birthday, they make a little party, they decorate the kennel a bit, and then they give some extra sweets and treats. So it's like very, very nice and super cute. And now I just read a few days ago, they have a new area, like a garden area where they can run freely. And yeah, you want to talk about how when we walk with the dogs?
Yes. When you go outside with the dogs and you start to walk, you have about 1 kilometer to walk in like a route that has like avenida or rural route, we say. It's beautiful, it's all green around, there is rice fields for one side, there is palms from the other, the atmosphere is really peaceful.
Yeah, and also in the route where you walk, you have like different stops where they put some bowls with fresh water for them to drink. So it's like a kilometer front and a kilometer back, so it's like super, super nice. So just make sure that you bring sunscreen and a hat because it's like so warm, but it's super, super nice. It's very, as you say, super, super peaceful, and it's very nice to walk with them. Where is it, huh? Muy bien.
Bien, pata. High five. Yeah.
The objectives of WVS is to reduce the overpopulation of street and temple dogs through sterilization programs and local adoptions. They are operating as a rescue and rehabilitation center and also improving the health status of homeless dogs. WVS is also fighting against the dog meat trade in Asia through advocacy and education. They also have cooperation with monks and temple employees to improve the quality of the life of temple dogs and many, many things more that they do. And also in the evening, the dogs, they get pajamas, so very nice, because in the night it can be very cold in Chiang Mai, so each dog get a pajama to sleep. And yeah, everything is so well organized there, and the team is fantastic, and it's, I don't know, the dogs have a very good life.
Yeah, if you want to do something good in Chiang Mai during your holidays, you can visit them and you can help them. We'll leave you all the information in the info box. Really good.
So all the food is 100% vegetarian here, and the great thing is they have a lot of like meat replacements. So they use tofu a lot and also mushrooms a lot. And I think now we just had something. It was like a meat made of jackfruit. So all the food is like super delicious, and you can be 100% sure that there's no meat inside, which is very important for us. And there's also no menu, so you just have a huge display, and this is what they have today. And then you can get a little portion of rice, and then you can choose all the different plates that you want to try. And honestly, we've been here a few times, and the food is like very, very good. And the lady, she's super nice, and she has always little sweets and treats that you can buy at the end. And yeah, water is also for free. You can fill up your water and ice cubes and stuff. And yeah, the thing is, I believe if you see the place just from outside, or even if you go inside, you will be thinking like, I'm not sure about it, you know, because they will not come and speak to you, or nobody bring you a menu. But you just have to go to them and speak with them, and honestly, once you try the food, 100% they will come back. Okay, this is amazing. This is some like fluffy, puffy stuff, and inside is like a peanut cream or something like that. It's so good. We eat already for this. So yeah, I gained a lot of weight since I'm here, but who cares? I mean, later on I can do my own YouTube videos, my fitness videos, and can get slim again.
It's good.
You like it?
It's amazing. The food was fantastic. We only paid 65 baht per dish with a really, really huge amount of food. This is the place. In any time that you want to come here in Chiang Mai, you have a good place to eat. Let's go.
So as we say already, the food is very delicious, and also the prices are super affordable, and the water is included, bellies are full, and we're happy.
Okay, there we are. This is the place that we choose for going our dessert after the lovely food that we have today.
So we are here at Soy Desert because we wanted to have something sweet after our lunch. So basically what we're going to eat now is, it's an ice dessert, which you eat warm, something like that. And the owner, he just explained us that it's made with coconut milk, and then it's some coconut ice cream, and then you can choose different toppings like water chestnuts, but with something sweet around, and then you have pandan jellies and different kind of jellies and stuff like that. And yeah, we're super excited, and it comes from China, so it's not a Thai dessert. And yeah, Leo, he's searching since 3 years for a special dessert that he was eating in Koh many years ago, and I think it could be that one. So let's see what we're gonna get.
I'm so excited.
Level of excitement? Good? You like it?
Yeah. Very good.
Had a very nice dessert at Soy Desert here in the old town of Chiang Mai, and basically it's like an icy kind of dessert, which you can choose different kind of toppings like chestnuts, different jellies and beans, and what else was there? Fruits, and then it's with coconut milk, and it's like super light. It is sweet but not that sweet, so it was very, very refreshing. And yeah, we just had a nice little chat with the owner as well. They opened
Very
2
cool.
weeks ago. They are super, super nice. So if you're in Chiang Mai and you like it, little sweet and treat, just come to what was the name? To Soy Milk.
Soy milk.
Soy
Check it
Desert.
out. It's just in the front of the principal street. So you just come directly, and they're really nice and really cool people. We really like it.
How much was it?
80 baht for 2 desserts.
super cheap, so it's a euro.
For 2
per person.
euros. Fantastic option.
Bye. Thank you.